This unit over here, we actually charged with MO99. Was replaced the unit and charged with MO99. The indoor air handler was replaced and the coil. So we marked it with stickers here and here. We're kind of and then a sticker inside. Yeah, for a different refrigerant, because it's very important that we don't.
Very important.
Yeah,
but
we have a major problem.
It's not good for this.
Exactly. Exactly. No more R22 for this bad boy. Yeah. And this one's still R22, at least for now. And we're going to see.
Normally it's right?
Yeah, so the R22 right now is green. There's a green can, and the MO99 is a blue can. There's talk of making all the cans the same color in the industry, but we'll see what happens there. I think it's kind of better that it's designated with colors. The thing is they're running out of colors, but to me what they should do with these blends is they should use it's going to sound weird, but they should use a different system of using a color and then like dots, like polka dots or squares, to represent the different refrigerants, and that way you can get more mixes of refrigerants on the can. That's kind of my opinion of where it should go. Rather than getting rid of the color, why not, if it's a blend of R134 and something else, use a regular solid color for R134, but then you use the dots of whatever the other refrigerant are, and in that way we could have a legend. So we would know, you know, and then we have a refrigerant legend, and to me that'd be the way to go, but that's another story for another day. I'm not an engineer like that, but that's my idea. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the description.